Hello my lovelies, today I'm participating in Chelles Fall Challenge. She asked us to do a DIY that is under $20 and adding a little bit of shell to it. So this is my entry for this challenge. As you can see, this is non-traditional colors and style. I like the glam look, I like modern and clean lines. So this is definitely reflecting who I am right now. In the frames, I added 2 Bible verses. Give thanks to Jehovah, for he is good. His loyal love endures forever. And then I also added, I will give thanks to you, Jehovah, with all my heart. I will tell of all your wonderful deeds. You can always customize the frames, putting pictures or your own quotes, but this is what I wanted to do to give thanks. This was a very simple DIY. Basically, all the materials are from the Dollar Tree. I picked up this glitter ribbon and wrapped it around the wreath form and just went ahead and added some embellishments. These pumpkins right here were the ones from my previous video. They were burlap and brown, so I went ahead and just painted them and added the sparkles and the glitter towards the middle center of the pumpkins, and that to me is definitely Chelles. She loves to embellish things, and I think it came out absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, the thankful sign is also from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to add a little bit of, my gratitude for this season and for the blessed life that we live. And all these flowers, I had previously had them, but they are also from the Dollar Tree, and I just filled it in. If you guys want more of a detailed information of how I built it, you can go ahead and see my previous wreath, and I'll go ahead and link that in the description box down below. It was done pretty much in the same manner, guys. And so this is it, and I absolutely love the way it came out. It has a lot of sparkly and shine. It's very romantic, and I do have this on top of my bed in my master bedroom, and you guys will be seeing it in the home tour. So this is it, guys. This is my fall entry for Chelles challenge, and I definitely enjoyed making it. Chelles, thank you so much for hosting this challenge for us. If you guys liked it, make sure to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. I have my home tour coming up on the 22nd, which is the first day of fall, and I would love to see you guys there and join me part of this beautiful YouTube family. Love ya. Take care. See you in the next video, and remember to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at WifeLife3.